Hello friend, today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful arrangement, large, pale color, white and pink, beautiful spray roses, garden spray roses from my own garden, and some cromone flower from Ecuador. These flowers are very nice together. You are making large, beautiful stage arrangement. Any kind of occasion you can use this arrangement, even just because, or lobby of hotel, lobby of any home that you can put this beautiful, good arrangement as you wish. Okay, let's start with our beautiful spray roses. Also, I have some cromone. Cromone is very beautiful flower to create line as a primary flower. Spray roses that I have from my garden, my home garden, they are also smell very good and gorgeous for any design. In this design, we are create dome shape, large arrangement. This arrangement can go anywhere. I will start, as we know, with primary to create shape. So also in this big container, I put about 5 pieces of foam and I just put one tape and push them inside the vase. So with primary cromone, we create shape of our design. We are going to make nice and big. We don't have to put this very compact, just create nice, good structures of our design. Always I clean greenery to make sure that they don't give moldy water later, because greens after 24 hours they create very bad mold in our container and in our foam. So we make sure to get rid of greenery as much as you can, especially when they are yellow and already wilted. Try to get rid of it. So these beautiful cromones are very nice too. And they are from China Mom family. They are very nice. Full, last about 20 days, all different color. From Ecuador. I buy most of my product from Ecuador, from very good farm. We will add more to a structure to make sure this nice, good round shape arrangement comes along. Then I will add my spray roses. They are very heavy and I start from this area. Make sure now you create that compact shape that you want. Cover every area. All this area needs to be filled with these beautiful spray roses, and see how compact and beautiful they can be. Get rid of a little bit of greenery. Most of greenery in this flower, because they are very natural and very organic, they stay very nice and good as flowers. But if you use any other kind of roses, maybe you have to get rid of greenery. But this one, I don't have to, because they are very beautiful and organic. When you use organic flower in your arrangement, it shows beauty, freshness, smell, all they show in your design and in your work. I have this beautiful, just stems. You see the buds on top. It's just gorgeous. I like to use it. Very beautiful, very smell good. A smell of spring here in this room right now. Cut all the extras. Again, just get rid of all extra greenery. And if there is any damaged flower here in center, you see, you have to get rid of that. So make your stem perfect and clean. I think I need some around here, so I will go and add more. before I finish top. Again, you just clean. You have to just look and see which area you need to add more. Okay, so we clean a little bit. I like to go around here. I am sure there are some area in here I need to cover. Again, I need here. These are beautiful spray rose. It just makes my soul happy. And more. Like this corner. Few more here and here. I can add this spray roses. Very beautiful and grown very well. Just fill up with regular spray roses. Okay, so we have to just look around and find any holes that you may have to just cover everything to make sure they are perfectly full or kind of compact. I can see from back this area. You have to really look around and see if there is any area needs to be covered. Before you give this away, you need to make sure it's complete. The way that make you happy and satisfied. Like here, I have to add more. I want to cover holes, but not exactly fill up with white. White spray roses that I used are nice also, but this pink are really breathtaking, so gorgeous. I wish you were in a studio to feel the smell. It's really beautiful smell. I am so proud of these roses, gorgeous roses this year. Maybe a little bit more here. Okay, this is our finished product, finished nice stage arrangement, anywhere that you can use it. If you want to learn more about this kind of design, please subscribe this channel or contact us on minadesignSchool.com.